Introducing the Arcade Coder, a truly unique gaming experience that lets you and your kids design and code games for friends and family to play together. The Arcade Coder is a games console where you can play, modify, create, and code almost any game you can imagine. With 144 LED illuminated buttons, this truly tactile gaming experience makes it perfectly playable for 1, 2, 3 people, the whole family.
Tech Will Save Us has always looked for universal themes that we can leverage in order to deliver awesome play and learning experiences. And there's nothing more universally accepted or understood or enjoyed than gaming. For kids, for parents, for grandparents, it's something that everybody gets the value of in one's life.
The Arcade Coder comes with the Game Studio, a fully integrated iOS app to help you design, customize, and code your own games, taking anyone from game player to game designer in a uniquely fun format.
Typically in a game that you find on an iPad, it's very much a consumptive experience. There's a game, you're kind of playing with it, tapping on it, etc., but it's a consuming of that content and experience. By creating something that is physical as well, you go from the digital experience to something physical, play with the physical, go back to digital. That combination of media types really creates a much more enhanced, retentive experience. You learn and you play so much better, more engaged than you would if it was just purely consumptive. There's this really wonderful moment right now in our history where board games are having this incredible resurgence. They're really increasing in popularity. We wanted to create something that lived just where all the other board games might in your own home. But this is a new take on board games that is a little bit more digitally savvy and also allows kids to create and invent their own games, tweak the ones that they love, and ultimately deliver things their own friends, family, grandparents might be interested in playing with them.
Design the rules, create the artwork, pick the players. This is a fully customizable gaming experience for you, your friends, and your family to play, whenever, wherever, and however you want. Support our Kickstarter today and be one of the first to own the Arcade Coder.